What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. It's New Money Maker Mondays, and I want to bring you Dollarclix. I just signed up for this site not too long ago, and I have 51 cents in my account. I have a point that I can actually convert into cash. Every point is worth a penny. You can cash out in this site at $1. I think it's really good when sites have just $1 cash out thresholds. You don't have to waste so much of your time trying to, pile up and get 5, 10, sometimes $25. Just depending on what site you're using. Those sites aren't bad. For me personally, cash out thresholds don't bother me at all because I'm a grinder. I do surveys a lot. I do a lot of offers, so I don't care what the threshold is. As long as it's legit and it's paying, that's the main thing I question. But I know there are a lot of people that are new to making money online. And when you're new, like when I was new, I just wanted you to use sites that allowed me to cash out the fastest. And this is one that will allow you to cash out at just $1. You see here, like I said, I got 51 cents, and it took me like 25 minutes to do, to make it. Just doing, I did the survey under the offer. You know what I'm saying? And I think the survey, the only reason it took 25 minutes, really, well, the survey didn't take 25 minutes. The survey took probably like 15 minutes, but the offer took like 10 minutes to actually credit into my account. So that's when I say 25 minutes total. That's what I mean. Let me just show you some of the things they have on here as far as how you get your points. I'll go up here to earn points. You'll see here, you have your daily surveys. I'm just click on that and just kind of show you. I'm still kind of playing around with the site, kind of playing around with a routine, but a lot of these sites tend to be the same. So, I basically just take one routine from one site and just add it to another site, which is what I'm going to do with this one. But you see here, what these sites are paying as far as their surveys. 104 points, 75 points. Your survey is one of my favorite survey providers, just because the more you do and the more you complete, the more they throw at you and the easier they are to do. I mean, I'm doing those so many now to the point where I'm knocking those out in like 5-10 minutes, and they're not taking that long to do. So that's just something I wanted to show you. But here is daily surveys. A lot of different surveys you can do. Just find one that works for you. Sample-ish, that's another one of my favorites. You see here 100 points just for one of those surveys. I know there's let's see here, no limit to the number you can complete. So I'm about to start just banging those out. $1 for everyone you do isn't bad. And then like sample-ish, those surveys typically don't take that long. I mean, those really stay around like 15 minutes. I really haven't done one that was more than 20 minutes with the sample-ish survey. So yeah, I hear people all the time how they're saying they're taking surveys for like 45 minutes and an hour and over an hour. And I'm like, how, why? I mean, if you're going to take a survey for me personally, if I'm going to take a survey for more than 30 minutes, it has to be paying dollars, not cents. It has to be paying dollars. So that's what I tell you. When you're taking these long surveys, pay attention to how much you're getting paid for it. You know what I'm saying? And if it's taking you forever and you're only getting, 45 cents for it, just exit out of that survey and do something else. Do something that's worth the time. That's what it's all about. When it comes to making money online with these sites, you got to do stuff that's worth the time, because if you're spending all your time on some super long survey that's not paying a lot, you're not going to make a lot throughout the day. Okay, so just kind of continuing to showing you just the offer walls that they have. A lot of different choices that you can choose from. I know Theorem Reach, I know they have disqualification points. And doing those. Peanut Labs is another one of my favorites. Quick and easy surveys. They credit instantly. Also, Hideout TV, those the videos you can have it run in your background. Offer Turbo, y'all know about that. They have some good offers. Ad Wall, that's another one. That's where I really do a lot of my offers. I tell you guys all the time, I'm doing surveys and I'm doing offers. I don't want you guys to forget about the offers, because when you want to talk about quick money, it's in the offers. You know what I'm saying? Ad Wall is one of those that a lot of them in there are just sign up and confirm your email, and you're making 35, 40 cents for doing that. You know what I'm saying? Those really do add up. They help you to cash out faster. So definitely something you can take a look at when it comes to the offer walls. Ad Wall is a good one. Offer Turo, Radio One, they have a few in there that you can just basically just like I said, sign up and confirm your email, just things like that. So I would just say go through all the offer walls and just kind of find out, which one's easy, sign up, confirm your email, or, take this, 2-question survey and get credited, things like that. Find the easy offers. I don't do any that require me to pay anything. I don't use my credit card online. for any of these survey sites. I do all offers that are free. If it's something out there that might interest you, like I think it's one offer out there that I see all the time, like Hulu. If you don't have Hulu and you're interested in getting it, I would recommend going through one of these survey sites, because there's something you're going to keep anyway. You might as well get paid to have or to start that service. I think I've seen offers where they're paying like $2-3 just for you to do that. So just something to kind of pay attention to kind of keep in mind when you want to do things like offers. If it's something that you're really interested in and you can find that offer on one of these sites, I would say go through there. But otherwise, just do free offers. I mean, simple. Sign up, confirm your email offers, watch this video offer, take a 5-question quiz offer, watch this slideshow, things like that. Those offers add up, and you do that on every site. You know what I'm saying? Just rinse and repeat. Whatever I'm doing on some of my other sites, like I said, I'm gonna take that same routine and just add it to this one, so I'll be able to cash out faster. So that's basically what I wanted to show you guys with this site. It's another site I'm definitely going to add to my routine. Like I said, I just signed up for it, so really haven't been with it too long, but it's definitely going to be something that I'm going to start making a lot of money with, and I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Of course, the link will be in the description, so you can feel free to sign up and just do some surveys, do some offers. That's all it is. You know what I'm saying? If you go on each site that I bring to you and just make anywhere between like 50 cents to $1, you'll be surprised how much money you make at the end of the day. I mean, just each site, just go in, do 1 or 2 surveys, get you 50 cents to $1. You're done with that site, go to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Just continue to do that. And when you'll find is you'll have a routine, it'll be easier. Then you'll get to the point where you can actually do 2 of these surveys at a time. You'll just get better and better. But I'm just showing you guys what I've been doing with these sites, and I'm just helping you guys to make more money. Honestly, that's what it comes down to. And we can all just put more money in our pocket when we're doing these surveys and these offers. All right. So like I said, the link is in the description. Dollarclix, sign up today. Cash out at $1. You can use PayPal. Let me show you what's in there as far as how you can cash out. Let me see, withdraw balance. Click on that. It'll take me here. You see, you can get Amazon. They got $5 Amazon. You can do a bank transfer. That's $25. That takes too long. You see here in your first payment with PayPal, I believe it is. Let me scroll down. Actually, let me scroll down. They have a Visa PayPal, a Visa card as well that you can get. But on your first payment with PayPal, you have to get $5. That's not typically difficult to do, but after that, it's $1. That's what I've heard, and that's what I've seen from other members on this site. I actually asked that question right here in that chat box. That's where I get a lot of information. You go on these sites, you see this chat box. To me, that lets me know that it's kind of legit. And when you actually interact with other members, you can kind of get tips and tricks of what they're doing to make money. You see in the box the surveys and offers that people are completing. So, but like I said, like the first one, you'll have to get $5, but after that, it's $1. And so I would say don't let that $5 scare you away, but just continue to put effort into this site. All right. So Dollarclix, link is in the description. Sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.